This is insane. I just don't believe my eyes. Holy. Alright guys, so we spent about an hour from Interlaken, if I'm saying it correctly, to get here. It was a fairly dangerous drive, I would say. Like, not many people would go through that. The wifey was pretty nervous, but I kept telling her, like, when you arrive here, you're gonna be shook. Like,
Now I know.
and then I got shook. Damn! Like, when I arrived here, I was like, how is this real? Unbelievable place. We're gonna walk to the view where we first arrived and show you guys how insane this is. You know, it's unbelievable. You know. Oh my lord! Let's go straight to that little spot. The spot that not everyone gets to see in Switzerland because, you know, I guess, yeah, it's just not easy to get here. So, which is understandable why not most people would want to go here. So, you know, it's not too bad if you can just drive on really narrow streets up the hills. Once you're here, oh my lord. Beautiful walk. How you feeling?
I'm feeling amazing.
Pure oxygen for your
Yeah.
lungs. Your lungs are not very well. Come here. You get yourself some pure oxygen, man. Now watch. Once I'm not gonna turn around till I get there. So keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Now do note that do note that this is watch this wire as well. What's stuck? Can you check?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Oh, what? Can you grab that? I got it. Just maybe put it in. Maybe she didn't even hear me. Right. Careful. Can't wait to turn my head around on that side. And oh my goodness. Guys, is this real? Am I alive or dead, or is this in heaven? What's going on? Oh, I can stare at this all day, all night. I'm not leaving from here. Sorry to say, wife, if you're in a hurry for something, it ain't happening. I'm staying here. This is my new home. Now, here's a fun thing, right? Oh, look at this. I'm gonna sit here for a little bit.
You can go inside there.
You could, but that flow is so strong you might get taken. I mean, it's not that bad, but you really want to get in there?
I mean, I don't see anybody doing it.
Yeah, wait, check this out. Oh my god. I just want to sit here for a little bit.
Careful.
Yeah, it's kind of a risk here.
No, don't. I don't think it's a good idea.
But what I could do is sit right here with my feet down. You do the same? Oh, there's some honeybee and shit. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to heaven. This is Rosenlaui, whatever. I only know how to read it from the text. Not sure how it's pronounced, but god damn, bro. How you feeling, wifey?
Oh, feeling alive now.
Oh,
Can I see your phone?
my phone is.
I will record some nice video.
Yeah, absolutely. Go for it. Right. I do feel like touching this water somehow. There's gotta be a spot where we can get closer
Yeah.
in some way of form.
I really want to.
Yeah, we will. We're gonna find out. I just wanna chill it. You can see the ice all the way there on top, like the snow and ice forming there, and like glaciers and whatnot. I could imagine if there was like a avalanche there, this would be all a total disaster. So that's a lot of snow up there. But it just looks like a painting. I promise you guys, I don't know what to say. It just doesn't feel like it's real. You know, it makes me think that, like, I don't know, if I did, I believe in God, but if I didn't believe in God, and I know scientifically I have, explanations about this stuff, how it's formed and all that, but this is art. Like, yeah, it could be, formed by earthquakes millions of years ago or whatnot, but bruh, this ain't normal, like this is something out of, I don't know what to say. Yeah, so this is my first video on this channel, by the way. Elite travels for this kind of travel videos. So if this pops off, you'll probably go to many other places. And just like our Elite Drives channel that we started, it was about driving real life cars. You've driven some really amazing cars on there, and it blew up. Like, we have millions of views on our first few videos. So time for the next thing, and it's travel. So I had to come by, man. It's just like unbelievable spot right here. So yeah, we're gonna call it quits here for this small little video. As wifey's gotten a call from her family, they definitely want to see this. And we are gonna be back, maybe in the same video or not, but yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video, man, and make sure to hit the subscribe, like, comment. Let's grow this channel and make this the most amazing travel channel ever, where you'll see point of view travel videos, like unbelievable views and whatnot, and I'll go to all the cool spots around the world that you can also go to, where most people don't show, like the process of getting there too. Is like, I just learned that it's a little bit of a scary drive rather, but man, it's worth it. Yeah guys, peace out for now, and MKLE.